you feel when you start looking at your body after a BBL. You know what I'm saying? After you spend that money, honey. Hey guys, and thank you for coming back to my channel. So I'm coming back to you all with a actually it's technically my third week. So I'm going into my third week. It's been 2 whole weeks since I had my BBL surgery, and I have to say I'm healing quite beautifully. My swelling has started to go down. I'm slowly but surely starting to go into what they would call, I guess, like the itching phase, which kind of sucks, but this whole process has been pretty painful. I just wanted to come to you all and kind of talk to you about, like, you know, like everything I've been going through. I wrote some notes here on my phone. So how I'm feeling. So I'm feeling much better than I did that first week. I have to say, like, the first week of a BBL is pretty rough. And it's just something that I don't think I could go through again. But I'm really happy with my results. Like, I feel like I picked a really great doctor. Dr. Fasusi did an amazing job on my body, and I couldn't be more grateful and thankful. My diet, so I have been kind of like sticking to a diet. You know, I've been eating like a lot of avocados, like fish, and like protein, mostly protein and vegetables. So I haven't really been drinking any soda. Like, I haven't gotten out of control with my diet. I've been pretty much sticking to the same thing, kind of like a keto diet. So I've been doing like meat and veggies. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't took it over the board, maybe once or twice, but you know, not too much. I don't eat after like 7 o'clock. And you know, body's still looking, you know, pretty snatched. Doing pretty good. So yeah, I didn't do anything too crazy with my diet. Okay, as far as like garments, so I've been wearing this garment. The doctor said I was supposed to, well, Dr. Fasusi said I was supposed to wear this garment for the next 3 weeks. I'm not gonna lie, guys, my first stage garment is a little loose. So I'm wearing this waist trainer, really not supposed to. But I've been wearing this waist trainer because it just makes my body feel more hugged and tight, because like it feels like it's getting too loose. But I tried to put on my second garment and it was way too tight. So I was like, let me just be patient and wait these full 3 weeks out, you know, before I go trying to put on that garment, because it was too tight, but this one was kind of like too loose. So like, I have the waist trainer on, but it's not like super tight. Like, I just have it on tight enough so like I can feel some more compression. So, and I also ordered another garment, which I will review in my next video from Amazon. So I will let y'all know how that garment is as well. And I'll also go over the garment that I actually bought from Mia. But as far as this one, I'm still rocking it. I just needed a little bit of extra compression, nothing too tight. Okay guys, so the next subject, sleeping. Let me put the phone down. Okay, so I just want to say, sleeping has been extremely difficult. And like, honestly, like when you have to wake up and like when you have to go to sleep every night, literally on your stomach, it is incredibly like stressful, because if you want to watch TV, you have to like prop your head up, but even then it's like your head wants to do this because you're laying like face down. So you gotta like hold your head up like this like the whole time, and before you know it, you're freaking like your back is hurting, like your neck is hurting. So I actually had this fantastic idea to order a pool float and make a bed out of it, because the pool float that I actually ordered had a hole in the middle, which is right over here, and I'm gonna actually show y'all what I tried to do. It didn't really work out. I kind of ended up wasting some money, but it beats having a headache every day. And to be honest, like from the first day that I tried to set up, you know, the pool float, it literally, I mean, it kind of worked, but like I'm too scared because I feel like my butt is still kind of like touching the bed, because what I did was I took the pool float and I like put it on top of the bed, and like I like set my butt in the middle of the hole so I could sleep on my back. But it was just a little too much, so I kind of like ended up not doing it. So basically, I guess when I do get better, I'm just gonna take the float to the lake. But I actually got it from Amazon. It's actually a pretty amazing float. It's pretty lit. I'm definitely gonna show you what I tried to do, because there's not really any furniture made for you not to sit in. So this not sitting thing is really aggravating, and you try to find like ways around it. So check this out real quick. It might work for you. It didn't work for me, but it's literally, it's an avocado. So guys, as you can see, this was the float. So my idea of laying in this literally was to have my butt in the middle, and I was gonna like put a pillow up here because, honey, sleeping on the front is just really stressful. So my ideal for this is for me to basically okay guys, pretty freaking dangerous. Actually, I think I'm gonna take my shoes off. So this is kind of like the idea. So, ow, my back. So this was the idea, which by the way, my back is hurting absolutely terribly. But yeah. Okay, so basically my butt's in the hole, but I feel like the bed and my butt is touching, which is why I couldn't do it. So yeah, kinda didn't work. And then look, it's a big mess. Literally, I'd be slipping and sliding on that. But I tried. So as far as the surgery, it just like the most difficult thing about this surgery, me personally, I think it's sleeping. Like the sleeping and not being able to sit on your butt is just honestly a pain in the ass. But I know I'm not gonna regret it. I'm gonna be happy. Like my body looks amazing. So I'm gonna actually show you just a little spin. Just a little spin. You know, I'm not gonna do like the grand premiere just yet. And I just wanna tell y'all, so I have been drinking green tea. This has been amazing and has helped me sleep a little bit more sound. And I just put a little bit of honey in it, and it kind of helps me to relax and just kind of forget about the pain. If you guys are, you know, in pain, tea is a really good option. But yeah, let's get to that spin, shall we? So guys, that was my spin. Oh, let me not do that. But there was my little spin for you all. And I just want to thank you to all the new subscribers. Please, if you want to follow me on this journey, please hit the subscribe button. Please, 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 please. It would mean everything to me. I'm just trying to build this up, baby. Please, please and thank you. And I do try to respond to all the comments. Like, I really do appreciate everyone that's supportive, that's been watching my videos. I really appreciate you so much. And I'll definitely see you for the next update. Now, I will say in the next update that I will get more graphic with my pictures. I will show y'all more of something. It's just like right now, I am still very bruised. So I'm just kind of waiting for some of my bruises to clear up before I take some really, really good pictures. And if you want to see some special pictures, no, I'm just kidding. But I'm really not, because I do got an OnlyFans. Definitely join my OnlyFans and message me. Because I'll be taking some pictures for that too. Alright, so guys, I almost forgot. I wanted to share with you what I was using on my skin as my body is healing. What I've been doing to kind of like massage myself and you know, help everything just feel really good, because when you're healing, your body feels really stiff, especially like when you know, don't move for a long time. And you know, just as your body's healing, you kind of feel like when you bend over, you feel like your skin is like extremely dry. So what I've been doing is I've been taking Vicks Rub, and I've been taking this Dr. Teal's body lotion, and I've been mixing it together and just rubbing my body with it, and that really helps me to calm down and relax as well and not think about the pain as much. And I've noticed that my swelling has started to go down. So if y'all are looking for some lotion, that's a good combination, because your body feels all minty and tingly. So you just kind of, for a brief moment, don't feel as much pain. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I love you much, and thank you for all the love and support. And as always, let me remind you just one more time, I don't want to sound like I'm begging, but subscribe to my channel.